Alright, it's recording.
Ready? Time to wake up, buddy.
Yo, look at how much shit is on you. Look.
Oh my.
Look at what's on you, dude. The ottoman is on you.
I'm so confused.
I'm so
There's like this noise.
He's still asleep, I think.
let me hit that.
I like that. What the fuck, dude? Yo, get that thing the fuck out of here.
What thing?
Oh my god. What is this thing?
That's what is this thing? Don't stop pushing the ottoman. Take the ottoman out of here.
Dude.
Why are you holding the propane tank? The propane tank. Everything else has to go, but the propane tank is cool.
I can't believe you guys. I'm so fucking tired. What is this? Stop that. Stop.
Stop this. I gotta pick this thing. Hold on, stop kicking this.